Living alone later in life can be calm and empowering. You set the pace, you choose the noise level, but there's a side you only notice once you're in it. Here's the honest version, what to expect, and simple ways to make solo living work for you. You are your own emergency plan. When help isn't in the next room, preparation matters. Keep a phone within reach. Use a smartwatch or medical alert with fall detection. Add a coded lockbox with a spare key. Set a daily check-in with a friend, neighbor, or smart speaker. Loneliness can surprise you, even if you're introverted. You can love your space and still miss everyday chatter. Schedule regular calls, join a local group or class, consider a pet for companionship and routine. Build small daily touchpoints, neighbors, barista, librarian. Home maintenance piles up fast. Big chores get heavier with time. Hire out ladder jobs and deep cleans. Keep a seasonal checklist so nothing sneaks up. If it fits your budget and energy, downsize to a space that's easier to manage. Routine becomes your anchor. Rituals steady the day. Morning coffee by the window, a short afternoon walk, a set bedtime wind-down. Let structure support your mood and momentum. Cooking for one can be awkward, but it's worth it. Keep it simple and satisfying. Batch cook once and portion for the week. Freeze single servings. Keep a few go-to recipes you love. Plate your meals nicely. Treat food as self-respect, not a chore. The quiet is both gift and challenge. When silence feels heavy, add gentle background sound, radio, audiobooks, ambient music. Also protect moments of true quiet for thinking or journaling. Movement won't happen by accident. Build motion into the day. Stretch after you wake. Walk during a phone call. Use light weights while watching TV. Join a class or walking group. A dog can keep daily walks non-negotiable. Time can blur. Without someone else's schedule, days melt together. Give each day a theme. Use a wall calendar and alarms. Create weekly appointments with joy, a class, a lunch, a hobby hour you don't skip. Decluttering is emotional and freeing. Keep what serves love, use, or legacy. Limit keepsakes to defined spaces. Let go of what no longer fits your life now. Lighter rooms make life easier for you and simpler for others later. Invitations may slow, so create your own. Don't wait for plans. Host a tea hour, soup swap, or movie night. Start a walking or book group. Be the one who reaches out. People appreciate the initiative. Self-care is easy to ignore and essential. Hydrate, move, eat real meals, and sleep. Keep medical, dental, eye, and hearing checkups. End the day with a small ritual that restores you. Give yourself the care you'd gladly give someone else. Living alone as you age isn't a problem to solve, it's a life to design. Prepare for emergencies, ask for help when needed, and fill your days with what makes you feel alive. Share your thoughts below, and if this helped, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for